Welcome to Long Dog Wool Stitch Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot to start your projects. You're going to start with your yarn, and you're going to take the end and putting it in front of your finger, you're going to wrap it around twice and then grab it with your thumb and forefinger. Take this finger and pull this loop over, but hold it kind of there, and then pull this loop over and that one up through, put your hook in and pull tight. So let me show you that again. Take the end and going from front to back, wrap it twice around your finger, pull this loop over it, and it helps to just stick your thumb there to kind of hold it in place. Then pull this loop over that one, stick your hook in and pull it tight. One more time. Hold your end, moving from front to back, wrap it twice around your finger, pull one loop over, pull this loop over the other one, and you can just put your hook in here to bring that one through and pull tight. And you've got your slip knot ready to start your chain.